Okay guys, welcome to my new video, how to make money with the ClickSure. ClickSure, like you know, this is an affiliate network, one of the best, I think, affiliate network in the world, like ClickBank and Max Bounty. And like you know, you can make unlimited cash with ClickSure. I am working with ClickSure long time, and I get unlimited emails from my subscribers how to make money with the ClickSure. So I decide to make this video to show you how easy you can make money with ClickSure. All you have to do is take action, don't delay. Like you know, if you want to make money online, you have to take action. You have to do some work, and you need a good product, and you need a good traffic. So with this video, guys, with this very quick video, I will show you some of traffic source that I am using to promote my ClickSure product affiliate link. This traffic is real, and you can use it to promote any affiliate link, and of course you can use it to promote your ClickSure and get unlimited real traffic to your affiliate link. So, like you know, very important to get a real traffic to your ClickSure affiliate link. So, with this video, I will start with you can visit the Safe Traffic Rotator. Safe Traffic Rotator, like you know, one of the best traffic that you can use it to promote your affiliate link. You can see here, are you looking for a safe and cheap advertising for your website? Do you need traffic to your affiliate link? Do you want to build your list? I am using this traffic source long time, over 2 years for now, and the result is fantastic. This is amazing traffic that you can use it to promote your affiliate link, and you can get unlimited leads and sales and referrals using this traffic source. Traffic source number two, you can visit Turbo website traffic. This is also one of the best traffic source that you can use to promote a ClickSure affiliate link and get unlimited and traffic visitors. Sorry, you can get unlimited visitors to your ClickSure affiliate link. Also, you can get unlimited sales, leads, referrals. This website will give you a traffic, so you can, let's say, if you want to promote your website, so you can also rank your website very higher on Google and YouTube. So Turbo website traffic is one of the best traffic source to promote your ClickSure affiliate link and get traffic daily. Okay, traffic source number three is traffic cache list. This is also a fantastic traffic source that you can promote your affiliate link. You can promote any affiliate link. Sorry. You can see here there's a in the menu, unlimited website visitors, solo ads, premium traffic, lifetime traffic. You will get unlimited real traffic from this website. Like you know, this is one of the one of three website that you can get unlimited traffic to your ClickSure affiliate link. Of course, there's more and more traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link. Very important is to choose a good product from ClickSure network and use a very good traffic so you can see this traffic. You can promote your affiliate link and you can get leads daily. Thank you for watching this quick video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, sorry, if you have any question, you can type your question below this video. I will reply to everyone, and I will reply to everyone in my free time. Okay, so I will try to help everyone using and working, basically working online like I do. I am working online long time. I am promoting a different products from ClickSure and ClickBank and Max Bounty and more and more. I hope you like this video. I will appreciate that if you can share it with your friend. Thank you again and have a good day. Thank you very much.